Hello, and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to use the swap and move back feature in Schedule Book. This feature allows you to move multiple bookings at one time, and then undo the move if a mistake was made. Keep in mind, the resource needs to all belong in the same group and must all either be labor or non-labor resource. To swap or move back a resource, first, find a few bookings to swap. From the Schedule Book Actions menu, turn Swap Mode on. Select the bookings you want to swap. Go back to the Actions menu, turn Swap Mode off. Now that your bookings have swapped, if you want to undo the move, you can simply go to the Actions menu and select Move Back. You can also add a custom button to the layout. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions on Xytech's products, please email us at support@xytechsystems.com.